Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to free up more RAM uses in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as RAM Rush and you will see one website on the first list. Just click on it. Now just click on this download. Just click on no thanks, continue to download RAM Rush. And once again click on this download option. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. So click on next to proceed with installation. Click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. Wait for a few more seconds. So just click on finish. So finally the application has been installed and it is already started, as you can see on the taskbar tray icon, as you can see here. So once you move your mouse cursor, as you can see here, it's showing the CPU and the RAM uses. So right now you can see the almost 4.9 GB free, as you can see on the above. As you can see here, it's showing 4.9 GB. So how you can free up more RAM uses? So let us try this. Start optimize. Just click on start optimize and you need to wait for a few seconds or minutes. So finally you can see the free RAM has been increased. So you can see before it was 4.9, now it has increased almost 1 GB free. So you can see earlier it was 4.9, now it is almost 1 GB free, like 5.9. so you can see here 73%. so it's showing. So if you want to make the software run all the time when you turn on your computer, then you can do it also by going to the options and you can see your option run RAM Rush when Windows startup. If it is not turned on, then you can turn it on and you can click on OK. And there are some optimized hotkeys also. By pressing Ctrl Alt and O alphabet, you can just optimize hotkey from your computer shortcut keys also. So it's a very straightforward, and even you can customize the colors, how you want to display the colors of CPU colors or the RAM colors. So this is a very straightforward. So in my opinion, it's a very good software to free up more RAM uses in Windows computer. And the good thing is that it's totally free. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.